Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. I actually got some sunglasses from Abella Eyewear and I'm super excited because I was just accepted to be one of their brand ambassadors. So this is my first package that I'm receiving and I'm going to open it up and see how they package everything, what the glasses look like, what the quality looks like. So I definitely wanted to come on here and share that with you guys. So if you are interested in these sunglasses, make sure you keep on watching. Click that button down below and subscribe to my channel before you leave. And let me go ahead and dig into this box right here. So Abella Eyewear, I actually found them on Instagram and I was immediately intrigued by the company because I love sunglasses. Oh my God, let me get into this box, honey. Let me get into it. This is like a genuine unboxing. Like I have not even opened up this box. I just got it today. Oh, they're making sure that we can't get in here. There we go. Wow, so they come in these like really big boxes because I was trying to figure out why my box was like this big and I only got 4 pair of glasses. But if you can see this, they come in these really big cases, I guess. So let's just dig in. It's ironic because I think I got 2 pair of red glasses and 2 pair of black glasses, but I mean, I really just love red and black and those are like colors that I wear all the time. But it comes in a box like this and it says Abella on the front. That's really cute, very sleek packaging, very like heavy duty. Oh, and then the case is actually inside. So we got a box and then the case. That's cool. So it's just the same Abella on the front of the case. So it's just your regular sunglass case. Open it up and it says Abella again right here. And then you have the glasses inside of a dust bag and also wrapped in plastic. So the packaging is actually really nice. Ooh, these are my red ones. Okay, but these are looking real cute though. Hello, who is she? Oh, they say Abella at the top in the corner. Oh my God, how do I look? Am I styling? I will go ahead and be leaving all of the names of these because I do not remember. These are the clear red. They all have like really cute names, I think. I just don't remember what they're called. So I'll put the names on the screen somewhere. But these are the first pair that I got. I don't have a mirror, so I can't see. Let me open up my mirror. Whoa, honey. Hello. Okay, these are super cute. We are definitely going to be using these in an OOTD video coming soon. These are really cute. Oh my goodness, these are super cute. So I actually have a discount code for you guys, so make sure you head over to their website and try them out. Oh my gosh, these are super cute. I will have my discount code on the screen as well and also in the description box along with their website in the description box. So make sure you are checking all of that out. The first pair has me already shook, like I'm ready to open up the rest of them right now. And I love this case too, like heavy duty case, because a lot of glasses now come in those little like just the dust bag, and that just for me, it's not good for me because then I just throw it in my purse and then it gets lost. So all right, let's get into the next pair. Oh, these are Acton in black. Oh, so does it have a name on here? This one doesn't have a name on it. It just says clear red. This one is Acton in black. So I got some really like sleek black glasses. This is a lot of packaging, you guys. All right. Let's see what these are looking like. Oh yeah, and they're like the thin. Yes, I don't have any glasses that look like this, you guys. Oh my gosh, how am I looking? Oh, girl. These are so cute. I don't have anything that looks like these. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy I picked these. I was debating between these and another pair, but I picked these and I'm so happy that I picked them. Look at that. They are so cute. Wow, you guys, I'm shook. I'm ready to wear all these new glasses. I'm ready. Like, and they feel very high quality. So basically when I saw the website, I was doing my research and everything, but I saw the website and their prices are very similar to Key Australia. So that's kind of the standard that I was holding this brand to, because I have a lot of the Desi and Key collaboration sunglasses, and those are pretty much the only high-end like $60 sunglasses that I've bought. Other than that, I would spend maybe like $10, $15 on sunglasses, but for Desi, you know, I had to. So I was kind of just, you know, comparing the quality of these to those, and it's like, it's pretty up there. It's pretty up there. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty up there. Oh, it also comes with a little cloth to clean it with inside of your case. So that's really cool as well. You pretty much get everything with each pair. That's so neat. I had no idea like what the packaging or anything was going to be like, so that's why I'm so excited right now, you guys. All right, so I got 2 more pairs. So I have 1 more black pair, 1 more red pair. This is a black pair, I think. Yeah, black gray. What's black gray? What are these? I don't even remember what I picked. All right. Open these up and see what they're looking like. Oh wait, I don't think you get a lens. I don't think you get a cloth with all of them, because I don't see them in this package. Oh, so I got the same glasses as the first ones, the red ones. I got them in black because they were on sale and they were super cheap for me, and I was just like, yep, we're gonna do it. How are these? Yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Okay, these are so cute. I will definitely get more use out of the black ones because of course black goes with everything, but the red ones are also really cute and like more of a statement piece. But these are like a staple piece. Like, you need that black pair of glasses that you can just throw on that look a little bit statement, but since they're black, it's like, it's not screaming at you like the red ones were. And it's also not like super minimal like the other black pair that I got were. So I definitely love this style. The smaller frames, like those are in right now. We go back and forth between trends, because I remember when the oversized trend really came in, and then all of a sudden it was just like small frames are in, and I'm just like, okay, well, let's try small frames now. So my last pair would be a red pair, gold and red. Oh, I think these are like circular. I think I did want to get like 1 pair of circle glasses because I just wanted to try something fun. Okay, this is really a lot of packaging. Like, I am not keeping all of this packaging. We are going to just keep the cases that they come in because they are pretty heavy duty cases. Oh yes, we got some. Oh, they're not circular, they're like hexagons. These are really cute. Oh, you guys, I love them. And then all of them have Abella, like the logo, in the corner of the left frame. Ooh, how we looking? How we looking? Yes, ma'am. These are so cute. Also, like, very statement. So I was basically picking items that I knew I could wear for my OOTD videos, because I always like to, you know, be extra in those, and then also like for Instagram pictures and stuff like that. So I think these are really cute. I can definitely get some use out of these like every day. Every day, not every day, because I don't wear stuff that goes with red every day, but like, you know what I mean. I would definitely get a lot of use out of something like this because I just like having dramatic pieces on when I take my pictures and stuff. So yeah, oh, I'm so excited, and the shipping was really quick, you guys. Like, it did not take long for me to get these at all. Like I said, I have a discount code for you guys so that you can get some money off. I will have that in the description box down below. And yeah, that's pretty much all I really wanted to do with you guys today. Just try them on, chat with you, unbox the sunglasses. Like, I'm so excited to wear them. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.